Hi everyone, my name is Soumya Madhavan. I'm with VMware for the last 13 years and I'm with Hands-On Labs from 2018. So I'm one of the captains and I've worked on the vSphere labs. So vSphere 8 What's New, vSphere 8 Advanced, vSphere PowerCLI, and then vSphere Automation API and SDK labs. So over the past years, what we've seen is that among all the labs, vSphere labs stand out because we have a large base of customers who run on vSphere. So vSphere 8 stands out, and this time we have vSphere 8 that is recently released. So all the new features that have come up with vSphere 8, we not only have an insight into those features, but you also can try out these features live in the lab. And not only just the basic features, but also the advanced ones. Especially with vSphere 8, right? We have the vSphere Lifecycle Manager. So upgrades have always been challenging to customers, because of the maintenance that goes in. But vSphere Lifecycle Manager makes it very easy. And with 8, it is even more easier because you have parallel remediation that has come with 8. And in the lab, you actually get to see that you can upgrade your ESXi hosts parallelly, and it reduces your downtime. So what we've seen is that, like I said, these vSphere labs stand out. They are the most taken labs because of all the products in VMware, vSphere is the core of all the products. So most of the customers who run vCenter server and ESXi, they take our labs because everything runs on top of the core infrastructure. When the product is improving and there are new features, we are actually adding those features in. Initially, sometimes it will be an interactive simulation when the product is in an initial availability stage. But as and when the product is like G8, we include them as actual live tasks in the lab. And it's like a learning experience both for us who work on the labs and also for the customers. Yeah, definitely. We actually, insist, and every expert-led workshop that we give, we tell customers that, we love to hear from feedback. And actually, every year we take this feedback seriously, and we have actually incorporated those feedback. We just encourage you, come try our labs, give us feedback so that, we can come back stronger every year, just like we did this year.